Hello everyone, my name is Ana Cristina Andrade and this is my physical education newsletter. In this week's newsletter we're going to be talking about the 3 sections, and it has a welcoming part for all those educators, parents, and students. We're going to be talking about the internet, Shape America, and Choose My Plate, the literature aspect, and 2 articles and research. And on here on the side, I have direct links that takes you to Shape My America, My Plate, and the standards. We're going to be looking at first what is physical education, and this goes directly to Shape America. So anything that you see here underlined, it takes you straight to the links, as well as these. I added the 4 essential components in here, as well as what to know more if you want to know more, the 5 strategies for recess, and all of these you can click and you can go directly into the site. There is also a YouTube video if you want to know more about what Shape America is all about. And also, about a Shape America Essential Components of Physical Education PDF style. And then I have right here my review and my reflection upon Shape America, and I really enjoy it and I really like it because it goes all the way from infancy to high school, or even more throughout high school, so all the way to adulthood. And then it also emphasizes the importance of requiring appropriate education for children and disabilities, or for children who have disabilities. Next, we talk about Choose My Plate. Again, you can go directly to the link just by clicking My Plate, and I also have the dietary guidelines and other resources that I found very useful while I was going through My Plate throughout these couple of weeks. They also have a DRI calculator, which I was very impressed and very excited for, since we did use that last week. There's also a quiz table that I found to be very entertaining, and other physical activity basics, preschool growth charts as well. And we also have the Getting Started with My Plate. I also have here the review and reflection for My Plate. The weekly book that I chose was Little P, and I really like this book because it reverses the roles of vegetables and candy. This book is by Amy K, and the illustrations are by Jen C. And it's basically it's a family of peas, and they like to go do things outside of the house and in the house. And when it comes down to family dinner, the little P does not want to eat his plate of candy, which the mom had made for him. Rather, he would like to eat a plate of vegetables, but the parents say that he can't until he finishes this plate of candy. Then he'll be able to have a plate of vegetables for dessert. So I really like how it reverses the roles of what healthy eating is. It's very playful, and it's a great time to talk about it with our students about what is considered healthy eating for K all the way to 12. Then we go down to our articles and research. I chose an article and a research. The research that I chose was using physical activities as punishment and other behavioral managements, and I thought that this was very important, very significant, even even today, even though it's against the law to give students PE as a form of physical punishment. I've also noticed that students that get taken away their recess time can also be a huge impact in all the child's domains. So it's a great research article, and I found this article in Shape America, and that's why I posted it and I put it in here. The next one is the most important thing you can do with your kids. It's eating in the dinner table, and I really enjoy this because the eating in the dinner table is very important part of the family that I personally believe in, as well as my reflection. All in all, thank you so much for taking your time and looking through my video and my resource newsletter. Can't wait to see yours. Bye.